We just met a Luke who has his first day in Berlin. Hello, Luke. How was your first day in Berlin?
It was full of lots of alcohol.
Really?
Lots of alcohol.
Berlin is a lot of sausages and alcohol.
Watchers of our blog, stay tuned.
Inside the German city of Berlin, there's plenty to see. From the Brandenburg Gate to the Berlin Wall. There are cathedrals, galleries and fantastic architecture both inside and out. You also have the dark column memorial grounds built for the Holocaust. The dome that overlooks the Parliament decision room on the Reichstag building is also very impressive.
Tell me, baby, what you need.
But let's take a look at some alternative travel options. So me and Vlad, we're outside Volkswagen.
Let's see what these German guys prepare for us.
If I was young, it didn't stop you coming through.
You can find a lot of science and technology around Berlin. The Volkswagen Drive building is free to enter and you can explore idealistic ideas of future technologies.
We are in German train, which is much bigger than trains in London.
It's very square.
It's very square.
Heading into the centre, there are a variety of options available for your nightlife.
If you have a look, right, we're in a shop, but we're not just in any old shop. We're drinking beer, we're eating pizza, we're in the best shop possibly I've ever seen in my life.
Whatever comes our way. Yeah, darling, go make it happen. Take the world in a loving embrace. Buy all of the guns and pumps and explode into space. I like smoking lightning. Heavy metal thunder, racing with the wind. And the feeling that I'm
I want pizzas in shops, right, where I can buy cigarettes and beer and eat pizza.
So yeah, we've come to where we've come to, Vlad.
So it's the best kebab restaurant in the city.
Enjoy your meal. Take care. The best restaurant in Berlin. Doyum restaurant.
And I persuaded Luke to go for full experience and to have the doner with iron. Iron is like special drink, which is like a bit sour milk with a little bit of salt. I don't know if he's going to like it, but I'm loving it.
So I'm gonna fix me or kill me. Cheers.
Cheers, mate. How is it?
Oh,
You hate it, yeah?
it's terrible.
He just doesn't understand the feature. It's lovely.
It's very salty. What do you think we're gonna see today, Vlad?
Sadness.
Sadness? Distress, maybe?
Yes.
Do you think we'll sense how much happened there?
We will see. I'm not sure. I don't quite believe in all of this sensing and feeling, so that's why it's a good opportunity to try.
So we're not gonna have, you know, like 1,000 ghosts fly through the room.
This is what you expect.
I'm not sure.
So yeah, I'm expecting sadness. Luke expects 1,000 ghosts.
Let's see what happens. There's Sachsenhausen.
One of the concentration camps near Berlin. It's one of the biggest in this area, and here, I think, how much did you say?
105,000 people
died.
died, and then I think it was used as a prison camp for another 5 years after the Allies took over, and it was a Soviet prison camp.
Sachsenhausen was a labour camp outfitted with several sub-camps, a gas chamber and a medical experimentation area. Prisoners were treated harshly, fed sparingly and killed openly.
It's kind of a bit spooky here. I mean, there's an entire camp, and we know thousands of people died here, many of which have not got names.
Generals gathered in their masses, just like witches at black masses. Evil minds that plot destruction, sorcerer of death's construction.
And they'd have a machine gun set up on the balcony of this tower, and there's many towers, and they would keep watch, and yeah, anyone misbehaving, they would just gun you down.
Spending €13, I departed from the city and I headed towards Krosnik for the day. In Krosnik you can find the world's largest indoor water park.
I've decided to come to Tropical Island. Basically, it's a massive aircraft hangar. It's got tropical gardens, beaches, everything. You can fly a hot air balloon through the hangar. It's that big.
Baby, I'm not fooling. I'm gonna send you back to school, way down inside. Honey, you need it. I'm gonna give you my love. I'm gonna give you my love. Oh, want a whole lot of love. Want a whole lot of love. Want a whole lot of love.
So this is Amazonia. Look at this. Here we go.
Way down inside, honey, you need I'm gonna give you my love. I'm gonna give you my love. Oh, whole lot of love. Want a whole lot of love. Want a whole lot of love. Want a whole lot of love.
Have a nice flight, mate.
I will. See you soon, pal.
See you.
Lads,